Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard nougat. Start by toasting your nuts lightly in an oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. This enhances their flavor and aroma, crucial for a delicious nougat. Next, line a baking tray with parchment paper and lightly oil it. This preparation ensures your nougat won't stick and will be easy to remove once it's set. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the heart of our nougat, the sugar syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, water, and honey. Stir gently until the sugar fully dissolves, then stop stirring. Allow the syrup to boil, carefully watching your candy thermometer. We're aiming for a precise temperature of 145 degrees Celsius, which is essential for achieving that perfect hard nougat texture. While your syrup is heating, whip one egg white with a pinch of salt until it forms stiff, glossy peaks. This creates the airy base for our nougat. Once your syrup reaches 145 degrees Celsius, carefully and slowly drizzle it into the whipped egg white while continuously beating. Continue to beat the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes. It will transform into a thick, white, and incredibly glossy nougat base. Now for the grand finale. Gently fold in your toasted almonds, pistachios, and hazelnuts, along with a few drops of vanilla extract, into the warm nougat mixture. Work quickly but carefully to ensure the nuts are evenly distributed. Press the nougat firmly into your prepared baking tray, smoothing the top. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight, before cutting it into delightful pieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.